I'm going to teach you how to easily find the form ID in HubSpot. Whether you're managing multiple forms for lead generation or just getting started, knowing where to locate the form ID can help streamline your workflow. To begin, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can simply type HubSpot into your browser's search bar and click on the official website. Once you're on the site, click on the login button. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken straight to your HubSpot dashboard. From your dashboard, navigate to the marketing section in the top navigation bar. Hovering over the marketing tab will display a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Forms. You'll now be in the section dedicated to all of your HubSpot forms. Here, you'll see a list of every form that has been created in your account. Locate the form whose ID you want to find and click the edit option next to it. This will open the form editor. Inside the form editor, look for the Share button. Click on it and a panel of sharing options will appear. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Embed Code. Go ahead and select it. A window will pop up displaying the HTML embed code for your form. Within this code, you will find the form ID, usually a combination of letters and numbers. This unique ID is essential if you're embedding the form on a website or using it for custom development workflows. And that's it. You've successfully found the form ID in HubSpot. Not only does this help you retrieve the ID quickly, but it also gives you a better understanding of how to share and embed your forms for seamless marketing integration. Remember that each form has its own unique ID, so always double check that you're using the correct one when making updates or implementing changes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow HubSpot tutorials. Until next time, stay safe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime. Happy HubSpotting.